Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add category section with rounded icon in your Shopify website. Right now we are into admin dashboard and we have simply clicked on online store and then added theme. Okay, so we are into theme customization, right? And here we will create a section which will display all the product categories with having rounded icon, right? So we have clicked on setup guide option available in the header, right? And here we will simply tell him that we want this kind of section, so kindly create, right? It's super easy to create any section on Shopify website, right? So here I'm just writing I want to show 4 categories of sari, right, that we sell in a single section arranged horizontally, not vertically, right? You need to mention each and every detail, right, in them so that it can create a better and a good section as per your expectation, right? So let's write I want to show 4 circular icons, right, where I can upload the image as well, right? Relevant image. Okay, look, carousel category slider is somehow different. If you are going to create that particular thing, then it is entire a different process, right? So where I can upload relevant image icon and name written below each circular icon, right? Create a creative design, okay, as per woman clothing, kind of. Okay, let's submit this and see what it gives us into the response. Okay, so here it will simply give us a prompt, right, a command that we need to execute it right from the left side. So we are going to click on it, and as you can see in the left side we need to submit this prompt, right, and this would work automatically. Okay, so it is, the setup guide is working on it, it is generating code, writing styles, and you need to hold on and wait till this code gets written. Okay, so it's finishing up, so it has been finished. Now you can also add some follow-up instruction if it have not given you appropriate section design what you were expecting, right? As you can see, 4 icons are over there, right? You can increase and decrease the circle size as well, the desktop width as well, right? So circle size have been decreased, right? Border width, border spacing, category text, category 1, category 2, category 3, and category 4. Like we can upload the image, right, and we can simply write the text, whatever the text we want, right? So let's decrease the desktop width and see what happens. Okay, so let me reduce it entirely, right? So as you can see, it is not coming in a single line, right? I want all 4 icons to be in a single line, right? Let's submit this in the follow-up instruction. So it have started working on it again and you need to wait for it. Okay, so it's finishing up. It have written the code and it have written the style. Okay, now this is in a single line, right? And you can increase and decrease the desktop width, right? And if again it is not as per your expectation, you can simply make the changes. Okay, so let's make the change over here, right? Heading also on top, right? Because I want a heading on top of this section, right? We can write our most popular categories or what do we sell, right? So I want a heading in this section as well on the top. So I want to write most popular categories, right? Let's submit it. Okay, so it have started working on it. Now again it will write the code and you need to hold down. Okay, so it's finishing up. Let's see what it have made. Okay, so heading is over there, right? Let's decrease the desktop width and increase, and we will come to know what changes are getting done. Okay, you can change the heading, you can change the font color, font size, right? You can change the circle style, the circle size, whatever the circle size you want. Okay, you can change the placeholder background, you can increase and decrease the decorative border, width, the spacing, border style, right? Border color, category text, right? So here we are going to upload a image, right? You can simply upload it from your system, right? So I'm going to click on add files. I have already kept the images renamed for the SEO reason, right? Make sure to rename the images before uploading, right? With those keywords for which you want this particular page to rank, right? So I have simply uploaded all the images. Sir, doesn't it automatically shows the category which we will create in the future? No, because it is a customized section. For that, you need to create a category section separately. Okay, so we are going to select the image of this category. Done. Right. Similarly, you can mention the category 2 image and the category 2 name, and then category 3 you can simply select the image, right? Click on done, and then you can simply mention the category name of the third category, right? So whatever the category name you want to write, you can simply write it over here, right? Okay, let's select the another category, because we have asked it for the 4 category, right? So it have given us a section where we can edit 4 categories, right? Okay, so I have mentioned all the category names and the images, and our section is almost ready, right? We can increase and decrease the circle size as per our requirement, right? Whatever the requirement is. Okay, so it will automatically decrease the size of the section, right? You can also change the desktop width as well as the mobile width. You can change the border color, and all these settings are over here. So in this manner you can simply create a category section with rounded icons on your Shopify website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.